Hello people, today I'm going to show you how to get this Arctic Fox trophy. So now you want to go to this one and get out of here. Now I want to click this book, go to the foxes and skip to the back of the book. Okay, so now, for this one, you want male, this one. Number 2, Arctic Foxes. 3, skunk. And then this one, 10. This one, all of these. Submit. You get the Arctic trophy. That's where you get this. That's where you get it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!